Well, I was in Walmart the other day and I saw these Chicago style buns. So I thought, well, I'm going to make a Chicago style hot dog. I'm going to use the buns and some tomatoes, celery seed, pickles, sport peppers, mustard, onions, relish, and of course some beef hot dogs. And let's get started. Let's build our hot dogs. You know, hot dogs, if you're having a gathering for like movie night or say a game day, is an economical way to serve people, I think. And you ought to buy the good hot dogs, you know, beef hot dogs, you know. They cost more, but they're so much better. And I just cook the hot dogs in some hot water. Never let it boil, but let it warm up the hot dogs for about 15 minutes. Add some onion. Then we'll add our tomato. I used to work at Home Depot. Well, I still do. At my first Home Depot, they served hot dogs outside. And, well, I forgot to put mustard on there. Okay, we'll put mustard on there. And I would often get a hot dog with a, and you're going to hate me, but I would get it with mayonnaise and tomato and onion. So good. A couple of sport peppers on each one. And there you have your Chicago hot dog. You also need a little bit of celery seed. I almost forgot that. And we'll try one. Mmm. That's really good. You know, I was at Chicago O'Hare Airport one time and got a hot dog up there at the airport. A Chicago dog. It wasn't as good as this. This is better by far. Thank you so much for watching.